We are going to make today appe. Like I don't know, this is going to be my first time trying one because ये मैंने खाए थे अपनी दी के घर पे, which was like very tasty. जो भी मैं बता रही हूँ ये खुद मैं YouTube वीडियो फॉलो कर रही हूँ, so I'm just telling you according to that, okay? ऐसा नहीं लग रहा जैसे बिल्कुल ही जबरदस्ती कराया जा रहा है काम. But it's just me and you are trying something that we have not done in our lives.
तो बनाया हुआ वो मटेरियल का है जला हुआ.
अरे नहीं है वो चलो
चम्मच से डालती तो ये बड़ी.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Khwahish and welcome to a new video. So, आप लोगों को पता है what are we going to do today? Yes. So basically, I ordered something which is appe ki machine. You know appe? Appe? Yes. We are going to make today appe. Like I don't know. This is going to be my first time trying one, but I just wanted to try because ये मैंने खाए थे अपनी दी के घर पे, which was like very tasty. So I was like, let's try it out and yeah, let's do it. इसको कहाँ लगाना है, किस में लगाना है? I think ये कहीं नीचे लगेगा, I guess. I don't know. But I don't know what the use of this is and इसका भी कुछ नहीं पता. But all I know that I had to try this. So let's go. ठीक है.
काटना कुटना दे काट दो.
नहीं मैं कर लूंगी, जाओ बैठो. बैठ जाओ आप.
तुम ऐसे तो तुम 2 घंटे लगा देगी. शाम 4 बज जाएंगे यहीं पे.
देखना इसको.
मैं वीडियो में कैप्चर हो रही हूँ ताकि इसके व्यूज बढ़ जाए.
तो ऊपर है ना, तेरे होने से तो बढ़ेंगे ना व्यूज. सबसे पहले हमने इसमें डाला है सूजी एंड देन हमने इसमें डाली है दही एंड देन वी जस्ट मिक्सिंग इट टू मेक द बैटर. ओके, ऑब्वियसली बैटर ही बनाया इसका वैसे. Now when you're done with making the batter, उसको ऐसे साइड में रख देने का. Okay, and then you just need to start with chopping whatever veggies you want to add in it. अगर मेरी आंखों में आप पानी देख सकते हो, so you can tell that I started with chopping onions. These are the vegetables I am going with: tomato, onion, थोड़ा सा धनिया डाल लेंगे, carrot and a capsicum, and also I'll bring curry leaves. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा जैसे बिल्कुल ही जबरदस्ती कराया जा रहा है काम. But it's just me and you are trying something that we have not done in our lives. So this is my first time trying making something like this. वेजीज देख लो कितनी सुंदर लग रही है ये वेजीज. मतलब ऐसे दिखाऊंगी मैं, सारी गिर जाएंगी. लेट मी जस्ट. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू फ्राई द वेजीज जो भी हमने कट करी हैं. थोड़ी बहुत फ्राई करनी है, इसे प्रॉपर अच्छे से नहीं करनी है. और ये जो भी मैं बता रही हूँ ये खुद मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो फॉलो कर रही हूँ, सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. ओके, ऑल्सो मेक श्योर वेजीज को फ्राई करते टाइम लो फ्लेम पे रख के एंड थोड़ी देर ही आपको सॉट करनी है, अनलाइक मी जो मैं करती चली गई. इट्स टाइम टू चेक ऑन आवर बैटर. ओके, Okay, so I've added all the veggies into the batter and now we'll just add all the masala into it जो भी हमें डालना है. इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करेंगे and then finally we will try that machine अप्पे वाली जो कि मैंने कभी नहीं करी है, कभी भी नहीं करी है. Don't forget to add ENO or baking soda to make it fluffy. This is something I have been told through YouTube. I don't know if you've watched my previous videos of me trying, making, especially cooking something, but I really want to say it again. Like, I feel like that cooking was something was never my thing. Like, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा cooking से ही problem होती थी. Because I don't know, maybe it's just that idea society has introduced us to. Finally, we are using a packing machine now. It just makes me realize that we never really hated cooking. It was just the way society has always introduced us
तो बनाया हुआ वो मटेरियल का है जला हुआ.
अरे नहीं है वो चलो
चम्मच से दालचीनी बड़ी है।
Because honestly, I feel like this is all about adulting. This is all about trying, exploring, and experimenting with things you always wanted to, in spite of not being good at it, in spite of knowing that this was never your thing, but you just want to try. This maybe is out of context, but I feel like that there is no certain age for trying certain things. And honestly, if there is a certain hobby, if there is a any skill or anything you always wanted to work on, please do it. Also coming back to the topic, I feel like ये जो मैंने मशीन मंगाई है लाइक अप्पे की, इट वॉज स्लाइटली स्मॉलर बिकॉज जो मेरे अप्पे बने हैं वो थोड़े छोटे ही बने हैं साइज़ में. तो इफ़ यू वांट देम टू बी इन अ बिगर साइज़, थोड़े से बड़े हों, एटलीस्ट दिस इज़ व्हाट माई मॉम टोल्ड, यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल वाइल ऑर्डरिंग वन. क्योंकि मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट में ये मंगा लिया था छोटा. Also, not gonna lie, this took me almost half of the day. Whenever I am into the kitchen, whenever I try to experiment with things, I always end up taking time longer than expected. But I think it was worth the wait. It was worth, I mean, not in the taste, मतलब taste was okay, but I think it's all about experiencing thing. It's all about experimenting, as I mentioned again. Not that I made it very great, जले भी हैं, कुछ अच्छे नहीं भी बने हैं, but at the end I ate it all. क्योंकि अपना बनाया हुआ पता चलता है खाते हुए कि you took efforts and time into it.
Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had fun, and I hope you keep trying things you want to. I hope you keep experimenting with things you want to. And yeah, that's it from my side. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye.